Hello there, subscribers, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today will be our first time doing a review from Beasts of the Mesozoic. This is my new obsession, the Ceratopsian series. I'm trying to collect all of them, just the Ceratopsian series. So we're gonna compare it to a Mattel's KOSMOCERATOPS. So this is our first Beast of the Mesozoic. We got is KOSMOCERATOPS. I already have the Ceratopsian, but this will be our first one right now. So we're gonna compare it to Mattel's Cosmo. Okay, so we'll check the box first. There you go. It's really nice. 19 points of articulation, realistic movement and detail. Profile card included. Yep, and there's the name of the artiste. It says ages 15 and up. It's pretty much an adult toy. So there you go. There's a checklist right there. This is probably my next purchase. I want the Iniosaurus. We already have this. Regaliceratops, yes, definitely. I pretty much ordered this yesterday, the Packy. And the Ava Ceratops. We're gonna wait for the Epic Evolution to come out from Mattel. Then I'll get this one. So, yep. So this is a bigger version of a KOSMOCERATOPS compared to Mattel's version. So we have the original Legacy Collection right here. And this is also a Legacy Collection, but I painted it just to change the color. You know? So we got 3 variants of KOSMOCERATOPS now. Plus this guy, the big one. Alright, so let's get through it. Let's open it up. I'm excited. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, here we go. Wow. Did you open that? Okay. Alright. What? Oh gosh. Alright, let's do it. Oh, there's the card. There's the tail. It is a new item. I got it from Amazon. Wow. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Okay. Not out yet. Not completely out. Okay, there he is. The feel is really good. This like rivals the Hammond collection. It's really good. This is as good as the Hammond collection. Okay, let's try that. Let's put the tail. Wow, it's really hard. Okay, that joint. All right. So you can open the mouth. There you go. Move the neck, the legs, you can swing the tail. This is as good as the Hammond collection, guys. This is pretty cool. Alright, so there you go. Let me fix the legs. So yeah, it is a bigger version than Mattel's KOSMOCERATOPS. Look at that. The head is way bigger. Let's check the face. So the face of this has it's got a narrow head. This one is wider. Yeah. There you go. Let's see the underside. What is this? Oh, it's like, is that the hips? Okay. So this Beast of the Mesozoic is actually from Creative Beast Studios. I believe, yeah. So yeah, design sculpt paint by David Silva. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate the non-stop support. Thanks again, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next video will be the Mamenchisaurus. We got the Legacy Collection the other day. So yeah, we're gonna do that on maybe on Saturday. Alright guys, thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.